How to get gift cards on Sweatcoin. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get gift cards on Sweatcoin. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is you can open up your Sweatcoin. After you've opened up your Sweatcoin, you will see your earnings. You will see how much Sweatcoins you have currently and how many steps that you've done. So after you've done that, you can check out different stuff. You can see the earning page right here. You can see the gadgets and stuff and offers available. So if you scroll down, you should see different options. So here you can check out different stuff. And let's head over to Steam Wallet for now. So open up your Steam Wallet. After you've opened up your Steam Wallet, you can then head over to Shop. You can see your shop section right around here. Go to rewards, and under rewards you can see an option to buy stuff. So here you can check out different offers and different active offers right here. You can see sold out offers as well. And from here, you will be able to buy gift cards if you find gift card. That is, now everything here keeps on getting refreshed. So you can find gift cards when it is available here. So you can see that win 100, you can win $1,000 Visa card. As you can see, a charity voucher. So you can find stuff like this here. So that's the way you can actually buy or get a gift card on Sweatcoin or Sweat Wallet. So all you have to do is come here and keep on checking different stuff available. You can see different stuff you can actually get on Sweatcoin, and that's the way you can actually just get cards on Sweatcoin. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.